Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we from Group E want to make a presentation entitled How 3D Printing is Changing the World. This is our group members. From left, it's me, Adib, and then Khairi Arif, Haikal, Ikmal, and Fadullah Fitri. Overall, there are 5 content in our presentation, starting from introduction, contribution of 3D printing, adds on information, current engineering issues, and summary. For introduction, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is the construction of a 3-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. 3D printing encompasses many forms of technologies and materials, as a 3D printing is being used in almost all industries. A few examples that we can see are on industrial products, dental products, architectural scale models, reconstruction fossils, and others. This technology is rapidly gaining traction. A 3D printer needs files in the industry standard files format STL. Most 3D design software can export to STL. 3D printable design must be watertight, meaning that the design has only closed solids and no open surface. All planes must have an internal and external thickness.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Nur Haikal bin Maidin and I am from Section 6. Today, I would like to present the contribution of how 3D printing could change the world. First of all, there are a variety of 3D printing practices such as space program, precision medicine, automotive, and education. Okay, for the first one is space program. Since 2014, ISS uses 3D printer to create unique tools, spare parts, and new equipment for space exploration research. Latest generation of 3D printing is increasingly versatile with more methods appearing. Next is about the precision medicine. Construct a wide variety of pharmaceutical dosage forms varying in shape, release profile, and drug combination. 3D printing used to create anatomical structure in cell structures for the growth of human organs. Other than that is automotive segment. Implementing prototyping in the automotive industry includes short production time, reduced manufacturing cost, and the creation of innovative, lighter, and clean automotive design. Finally, for the education, facilitate improved learning skills developments and increase students and teacher engagement with the subject matter. At the third level of education, there is greater scope to teach students how 3D printing technology works and incorporate 3D printing modules and projects into their engineering, applied science, and other courses. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khairi Arif bin Marabai and I'm from Group A. And my task is to describe and explain about the relevant information about the talk, that the talk is 3D printing is changing the world. Okay, based on the timelines given, there is a lot of timelines that give an evolution of 3D printer, but the statement given as a relevant information is 3D printer actually has existed 40 years ago but not popular. This is why, because you can see 99. Okay, why it's not popular? This is because patent late to expire. In 2009, the founder of FDM, which is Scott Crumb and Lisa Crumb, has expired the patent on 2009 and makes the evolution even late. Because if the patent late expired earlier, so maybe Malaysia is 3D printing is quite popular in Malaysia right now, and you can see at 2016 is very late. And second is price and practicality. Why is not popular? Because of price and practicality. Based back days, 3D printer is very pricey and not affordable for people like us, but nowadays is very affordable and can be a hobby. This is because back days 3D printer used only for the production line, and the last one is limited material. How 3D is changing the world? Okay, this changing the world is because every house in Indonesia can have a 3D printer hobby. As a hobby, can make affordable price right now. We can get a 3D printer at around 19 to 1,000 100s, and it's because a lot of community there.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ikmal bin Abdullah. I'm from section C. Today I would like to present about the current issue that impacting 3D printing. First of all is 3D printing knowledge gap. As 3D printing infiltrates the industry, there are not enough employees who have the background to design, perform and operate the machine. In order for additive manufacturing to become a common method, manufacturing companies must invest time and money in employee training for both incoming and seasoned engineers. Secondly is additive manufacturing complicates intellectual property. Since additive manufacturing design can be printed by anyone at any time, it changes the way we see value, such as shifting the value from the object itself to its design. The consequence of not addressing IP concerns can be particularly harmful. If anyone can print a pirated or unprotected design independent of the intended quality or design measures, this creates security concern for the public and liability issues for the designer. Lastly is 3D printing isn't standardized. While 3D printing allows engineers to produce single items inexpensively, it sometimes comes at a cost to quality. Aside from high-end machines that cost millions of dollars to purchase, many 3D printers produce goods that are inferior to those made through traditional manufacturing. One of the reasons for this lack is of universal standards.
Okay, next is summary. To be summarized, 3D printing is a technology that creates three-dimensional objects layer by layer by using a computer-created design. 40 years ago, 3D printing technology is not popular due to late to expire, price and practicality, and limited material. Nowadays, 3D printing has been used in many applications such as space program, precision medicine, automotive segment, and education. However, there are a few issues of 3D printing technology, which are 3D printing hypothesis, additive manufacture, complicate intellectual property, and 3D printing is not standardized. Okay, before we end our video, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made it possible for us to finish this video. Without the kind help of and support of many individuals, it would not be possible. We owe a debt of gratitude to Dr. Ahmad Kamal bin Yamin for his advice and constant supervision, as well as providing important information in this subject. We would like to show our gratitude to our friends for their generous support and kind cooperation for completing this assignment. That's all from us. Thank you.